start all over. And he gets ready now. He backs away, gets out of the way, and he's running across that line. So let's watch this now. There we go. The race is officially on its way. 61 had a problem getting out of there. He's ready for it right now, and he's officially on his way. That's one of the reasons that we want to get off the wall. Stay off the wall.
Let's get this drivers' meeting started. All drivers in races 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm your Chief Stewart, and I welcome you all to the Daytona Divisional Races, and I hope that you have a real fine weekend. We'll make this very brief, just quick as we can, so we can get started. It looks like it might rain. Will you all please come around this way so maybe you can hear a little better. The races, of course, this afternoon will be all on course 1, so we don't have to worry about the bank. We'll talk about the bank some tomorrow at our meeting. Some of you fellows were pretty sloppy this morning in early practice. I think you've done a little better later, but I hear a lot of complaints about you're not obeying the flagman. You're not paying any attention to him. Now please watch the flagman and do what he tells you to do. We've got quite a list here of cars that the timers cannot read the numbers. Let's go through those right quickly, and this is to your advantage to have your numbers where they can read them, because if they can't read them, you're liable to be misscored.
If you'll appreciate the fact that we're up there, you're not going over there, at probably minimum speeds of 65 and 70. If you're going a bunch, we're going to miss you, and there's no sense going out there driving if you're not going to get credit for it. Okay, these are the numbers that we can't see. 0, red GTO. 22, a blue Lister, the numbers are too close. 58, an Alfa Zagato, we can't see. 72, I believe, a blue Lister, can't see. 33, white and gold Formula V, no contrast. Number 2, red Lotus 23, cannot see. And a red Cooper, I believe it is, 3, a 13, a 131, we don't know what the number is. And a red TR4, 204, a 203, the numbers are too small.
Well, that's quite a list.
Which side of the car do you want the big number on?
Right, it should be the right
The
side.
car that's going to be facing us, whichever direction you...
Well, that's right.
there.
Oh, that's right.
Right. It depends on which
Which way
which
you
car.
going, I understand.
Stay to the right side.
Quiet, please. On turn 5 on the short course, there are 2 patches that are at the apex of the turn that are very bad.
In the pit area, everybody, attention, just 1 second. Anyone having a meat bar flag, we need one before this race starts. If you know where there is one, would you see that we get it, please?
We are going to try to have a black flag, and that's what he's talking about right now. We have the black flag, but we don't have the meatball. We're going to have that between turns 4 and 5. So watch for, keep an eye out for it so that you won't have to make an extra lap. Art, have you got anything you want to bring up right now?
I'd like to mention one thing. Everybody read their mirrors. We've got a good region here, and we've always stressed this in all of our driving schools. Some of you aren't signaling at all. Hop out of a faster car, let him know that you see him. It doesn't take much, just let him know. Read those mirrors all the time. I noticed a couple of instances of nerfing. We drive with skill around here, we try to anyway, so we're not going to stand for any nerfing. we got these stewards all over, and we're gonna really be checking everybody. That's about all for today.
Thank you.
There was no insurance number published on this race. Is the race insured?
Well, definitely.
If we race on the speedway here, it's insured.
Oh, yeah, their accusations are that the number be published on the entry blank. It was not. I asked again, is the race insured?
Yes, it's insured. Well, you better know, everything in Transformers is insured.
Don't make any difference. Chief, are you chief?
I'm Chief Stewart, that's correct. I have just been informed that there is insurance and this is for sure.
Thank you.
Very good.
Fellas, as you know, this is not a brassiere we're using. This is a little vest we put on all the observers. So when you see one or two of these boys, we've got some out here we're trying to teach. If you see two on there or one or two corners, I've got three. Don't get scared. We're trying to teach them. Just wave at them and keep going. But that's what this is. So then, maybe psychologically, if you're coming in a little too fast, when you see a highway patrolman, my foot gradually eases back a little bit. Maybe this will have the same thing. Because what we're interested in is your safety, not writing somebody up. Thank you. Huh?
The meeting is adjourned.
It should start.
days and all the nights go on. Got a beautiful crowd, everybody seems to be in the town tonight, they have fun.